Spryker's visual identity represents the values of the company and the people who work here, and we strive to keep it fresh and modern. In 2020, Oskar, the official Spryker mascot, was born. Initially, Oskar was an anthropomorphic oryx created as a Photoshop collage and quickly became a staple in our social posts, presentations, and videos. In May 2022, the Spryker brand received a new, fresh facelift with a new design system that enhanced our brand's visual identity, and of course, Oskar was not left out of the update, as he was transformed into an unparalleled 3D character. This made Oskar the coolest antelope of all time. He's our feel-good manager, knows some killer dance moves, and even hosts Spryker's internal events. Our brand and design team constantly work to ensure that the Spryker brand remains an exceptional example of how vibrant a B2B brand can be.